Hello guys, I'm so excited to have you back here, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Esther and I usually do random vlogs and videos, lifestyle content and food also. Before we go any further, please don't forget to subscribe to the video. Also, don't forget to like, share, and comment down below anything that you think is necessary to be commented upon. Anyway, for this video, I just wanted to talk about something that I think personally I have been experiencing on my own, and I think most people, it's something that is inevitable. It's something that has to happen to you, whether or not you are old and gray or you are still young or still a baby. You still have to grow. And growth. So what is growth? I think growth is being able to look back at your past and be proud of who you are now. Growth is inevitable. Everyone one day will just have to go through the process of growing, and growth won't always be easy. Sometimes it will mean leaving behind people, feelings, certain behaviors, certain pieces of yourself, as to develop into new selves. But it doesn't always have to mean that you're losing yourself, but also means that you're gaining something new, something better than the old version, a better version of yourself. Eventually, we'll get the chance to take up new things in the process, develop ourselves into the versions of who we wish to be. This means not stressing over anybody, moving on. It's okay to leave people behind. It's okay, guys. Just leave them behind. Go find yourself. Find the world that you wish to live in. The world is yours. Life goes on whether or not he's there or she's there. So what I usually do is just breathe and let go and remind myself that this very moment, in this very second, minute, microsecond, is the only time I know about and I'm sure of. I think Oprah Winfrey said something like that. Dare to love yourself as if you are a rainbow with gold pots at both ends. You'll achieve far more personal satisfaction trying to impress yourself than you will trying to impress someone else. And just be yourself. Hold true to yourself, your dreams and your ambitions. Be yourself, but always be your best self. Don't forget to like, subscribe to this video, share this video. Guys, I need sharing. Please share if you've reached the end of this video. Thank you so much, manze. I'm so grateful for every single person who watches. Like me, sometimes I'm like, you guys still watch my videos. Damn, I love you all. So I'll see you next time. Bye.